In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate logo using AI step by step. I am Michael from Sapify. There are lots of AI tools out there that you can use to generate a logo, but the one I have used and have fallen in love with is Fiverr Logo Maker because it is easy to use in just a few clicks, and it is not just a logo generated by AI. It is based on the works of top tier designers on Fiverr. Right now, I'm going to walk you through a demonstration on what this logo maker can do for your business. And the first thing is to access this website. I want you to click the link in the description. It's going to bring you to this website. Now that you're at this website, I want you to navigate to the top right corner and you're going to find a button where it says join. I want you to click on that button. It's going to say create an account, use continue with Google, continue with mail. I prefer to continue with Google. Now I'm signed in into the account. The next thing to do is navigate to where you see make a professional logo in a few clicks. Then it asks you to type your brand name. Type your brand name. Mine is Sapify. Let us use that as an example. Then click on make your logo. It will bring you to this next few steps. It says add your slogan. So do you have a slogan for your business? You can add it now or add it later, but I just prefer to add it now. Let me use an example slogan, apps that work. All right, click on the button, next. It says, tell us about your brand, share your story to get a logo that shows and tells it the best. Now here, you have to select your industry. For mine, I'm in the technology industry, and here it gives me option, and I'm going to go for technology blog and channel. Choose your own industry. And it said add the elements you would like to include in your logo. This is optional as it is written. If you have any element like an image in mind you want to have in your logo, then just keep it here. I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to go to next. Now, in step 3, is saying, do you have a logo style in mind? Select as many as you would like, and it is optional. Now, there are different logo styles. We have minimalist, hand-drawn, 3D, geometric, vintage, and cartoon. You do not choose a style. The logo maker will give you a best style based on the other information that you have inputted. But for you to help to understand what each logo style mean and have examples, I created a short file, logo styles, that the meaning of each logo styles and the kind of businesses that are using them currently. You find this in the next link in the description. So you can just read through, but you need not worry because the logo maker will give you the best that's based on other information that you will now include. So I decided to leave it and go to next. Now it says define your brand's personality. How strongly do these values represent your brand, slide left or right? So if your business is a kind of business that is accessible, you could come here. If your business is created for premium customers, you could move this way. If your business is more classic than modern, you can move this way. If it is modern, you could stand here or you can move to the end. So you could go and choose as you feel what's your brand personality. So I would decide to just leave it and move to make my logo. So I go to make my logo. Then you just need to wait a few seconds, and then here you have it. You have logo styles that has been created for you. Now you could scroll down and look at what is here. You can see that it is human-like designs because it is based on designs of top tier designers, and it can even now if you look through and you feel that these designs are not up to what you desire, just click on edit your brief. It will take you back to where we started from. So let's just run through. This time around, let us add an element. Let us say we had sun to it. Let's say I desire to go for minimalist style this time around. Let's say I desire to make it that it's a simple business and I decided to go for make my logo. Wait a few seconds. and then you have something else. Can you see it's different? This is now a minimalist style using minimal colors, one or two colors. That's what a minimalist style signify. So you could keep going back to what you desire. So now let's say I am done with what I want. Let us just choose one. Let me choose. Okay, let's just choose this. It will bring you to this page. And in this page, you have a view of how your logo will look across channels or materials. And then you can choose your design. Even though this is what we were presented, you have other options based on the color you feel you. I really like this. I really like this. So you could choose any that you feel you like the most in different colors. So, and let me go to that which I think I like this. So now you have an option at the top. You see customize this design or buy and download. The thing is that if you want to use this design that you have created, you will need to pay a token, which is not that much for the quality of what you're getting. But first, let us look at customize this design. Customize this design, please click on it. It simply means that you can edit it. You could change the colors, you could change your slogan, you could change the shape, you could change the background, you could change the layout, you could create different drafts with editing, or you want to go with it as it is. Click on buy and download. Then it brings you to this page. Now there are different packages. You have the essential high quality PNG logo for digital use. Now instant delivery, full commercial rights, high quality PNG files, transparent background, and that is the essential. And you have the professional and unlimited. Um, the professional is the most popular one, and this is why, because it comes with brand style guidelines, which I want you to focus on. A brand style guideline, a set of guidelines outline the fonts, colors, and visuals used in your logo design to help your team build a consistent brand. Now, what this brand guidelines gives you is that it is not just that we have created a logo, but you should be able to create a consistent brand across all your platforms. So this brand style guidelines give you the font types, the color codes, everything that was used in creating this design, so that by the time your own team members want to make adjustments, want to add, or want to make sure that your brand is consistent wherever it is being shared, it comes with this brand style guidelines, so you need not worry about being inconsistent in all the platforms that you have. They will show you the fonts they use, the color codes they use, the shapes that were used, how it was made together to create this particular shape, and also you need not worry. And also it comes with your social media kits, all the things you need to brand your social media. It comes with it your SVG source file, it is print ready, you have your quality background. It even comes with a Zoom background, so that by the time you're having Zoom meetings, you could have your logo seen in the background in such a way that it is beautiful. So it said, I tried to order DIY logo platform, but Fiverr gave me the best outcome and the closest design to what I envisioned. I love the idea that there's a real designer behind the designs, not just AI. This is what the person is saying, and all the logos that are generated by Fiverr logo designs are not just are not just AI designs. They are designs that are molded off from designs of top tier designers on Fiverr. There's one more thing I want you to know just right here. Let us go back to the files we have. You know, I told you right here that you could edit your brief. You could also, let's say for instance, you just want a designer to design for you. You could click on explore logo designers. So then you could just go to Fiverr recommended designers if that is what you want. So you have all a total package right here. So you could just go to recommended designers, but these ones are a model of what the designer would also do. So you have all the options that you need with this logo maker. So there you have it, how to generate logo using AI. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget the links to this website is in the description, as well as the link to the file on logo styles that I mentioned earlier. You can find all the links in the description. Please like the video if you found it useful and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.